Holi, etc. But my favorite festival is Diwali. Diwali comes in the month of November or October. In Hindu Panchang, Diwali comes in the month of Aso. Diwali is the biggest festival of India because Lord Ram was returned Ayodhya after 14 years. All peoples welcome him with great joy. Diwali is a festival of lights. Diwali is a festival of 4 days. Dhanteras, Kali Chaudas, Diwali, New Year and Bhai Beej. Diwali is a festival of lights. Diwali, many people buy new clothes, children burst crackers and mother makes some sweets. People decorated their house with colorful lights.